Today, I just want to sit down and have a real conversation behind one of the biggest things that I get told by clients as well as people that I just talk to around the reasons why they're not hitting or making progress towards their health and fitness goals. And that thing being they don't have enough time. And I think there's a few things that goes into this. The first one being, we could sit here and say, "Oh, we all have the same 24 hours and you just need to prioritize it." While I think there is some truth to that, there's also the side of we all have different obligations, we all have different responsibilities in our life, and we all have different things happen to us that we aren't able to control either. And so I think there is a little bit of that balance there. We can't put ourselves in everybody else's shoes and say, "Oh, you just need to prioritize it and just get it done and make time." Because I think there is some of that balance to that whole conversation. So, with that, the first thing that I would say is yes, it has to be a priority. You're looking at your life, and obviously, you make time for the things that are a priority to you. And so, if your fitness and health and nutrition is not a priority, then obviously you're not going to put a big emphasis into making it, making time for it. And so that would be the first thing that I would say is making it a priority. And I think part of that piece comes from you have to have the mindset behind it. Why is it going to be a priority to you? If it's just for the looks and just for vanity metrics, then it's probably not going to last very long. But if you have a real truth rooted in your why, I want to show up for my family. I want to be the man that God has called me to be to my fullest potential. I want to fuel myself so I can have the energy to do that. I want to be strong to be able to do that. And yes, I want to look good for my wife as well. And so having that real reason and that why behind it all, I think is going to get you a lot farther than just saying, I want to prioritize it. I want to lose 15 pounds. That's probably not going to get you very far. And so from that conversation, there's a lot of other things that we can get into here as well. One of the biggest things being the busyness and pouring from an empty cup. What I mean by this is you show up for your kids, you show up for your family, you're chasing your kids around every single day, you've got work to do, you've got business, you've got ministry, all of these things that you have to do and get done, and you're not able to show up to your fullest potential with your fullest energy and being there completely because you're so drained from everything else. So you're pouring from an empty cup. You can't pour water out of an empty cup. And we see examples even from Jesus in the Bible of withdrawing from the crowds, saying no to things, and going to spend time with his Father. And I think this can be very applicable to us as busy guys and having lots of things to do. We need to make time to reset, to fill our cups so that we can be the best for the ones that we care for, and ultimately to be able to do all that God has called us to do to our fullest potential. So it's not just saying no to things to be selfish. It's saying no to things so that you can reset, get right with your Heavenly Father, get right with God, and then be your best from there. Not only for yourself, but for everybody else as well. Another issue that I see is the all or nothing mindset. A lot of guys, they say, "I don't have time, this and that." Sure, you may not have time for an hour, hour and a half workout every day, but do you have time for 10 or 20 minutes at home? Or, maybe you're going through the fast food restaurant. You could spend that time going to a grocery store and get some boiled eggs, some fruit. Lots of grocery stores sell rotisserie chickens and all these different things. So the time that it takes you to go through a fast food joint, you could go into a grocery store and get some good, better quality nutrition for the same amount of time and probably cheaper as well. So with all that being said, what I'm saying here is just because you're busy and you can't do everything perfect doesn't mean you shouldn't do anything at all, right? Like we wouldn't take this same mindset into our time with the Lord or reading our Bible or helping out with our kids, spending time with our spouse, we would do what we can, right? And it's not always going to be perfect, but it's the consistency day after day that is going to add up and make those big results and those big changes over time. If you think there's a quick fix, that's the first lie that you're telling yourself. There's not a quick fix to it. The consistency day after day is the quick fix. So with all that being said, I want to encourage you and challenge you to take that next best step that you can take towards your health and fitness goals and towards stewarding your body so that you can be the man that God has called you to be. And with this, I have a free 7-day blueprint linked down in the description below this video. It's completely free. All you have to do is put in your email and it'll be sent straight to your email inbox. And then as always, be sure to like and subscribe for more faith-based fitness content. We'll see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day.